What if I told you that 4 common kitchen waste items could replace expensive fertilizers? Today, I'm starting a 30-day experiment comparing banana peels, chicken manure, baking soda, and eggshells on identical potted plants to see which natural booster delivers the biggest results. I'm testing these 4 organic fertilizers on identical potted plants in my controlled experiment setup. Each plant gets the same premium potting soil, consistent watering schedule, and equal sunlight exposure. The only difference? Each gets a different natural booster every week. After week 1, the banana peel plant shows immediate leaf darkening and new growth emergence. This potassium-rich fertilizer is feeding the roots quickly in the contained environment. Meanwhile, the chicken manure plant is shooting up taller. That nitrogen boost is working fast in the controlled pot setting. By week 2 in my potted plant experiment, I'm seeing clear winners emerging. The baking soda plant has developed darker, glossier leaves with improved overall health. That pH balance and natural antifungal properties are really working in the container environment. The eggshell plant isn't changing dramatically yet, but calcium works slowly and builds strength over time. 3 weeks into this potted plant experiment and the results are dramatic. The banana peel plant has doubled in size with thick, vibrant, dark leaves. The chicken manure plant is tallest but showing signs of over-fertilization stress. The baking soda plant has perfect, healthy leaves with 0 brown tips. The eggshell plant finally started showing steady growth, but looks strongest overall, with the most robust stem structure. After 30 days of this potted plant experiment, here's the winner. The banana peel plant is clearly the biggest with the most vibrant foliage. However, the eggshell plant shows the healthiest overall growth, with strongest stems and root development. The chicken manure worked fast, but burned the leaves in the container, and baking soda was too alkaline for optimal growth. For immediate impact in pots, banana peels win, but for long-term container plant health, eggshells are superior. Once you see these results, imagine applying these same natural boosters to your raised beds and vegetable garden. If you found these results helpful, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. I test natural plant remedies every week, and your support helps me keep creating these experiments.